All right, we got some more baby birds. These are robins. Now I can't actually see what's on the screen, so I'm just gonna do my best. I can just see the one that's got his head resting there. Yeah. Baby, fuzzy baby robins. And I hear Mama chirping at me, telling me to leave her baby alone. Oh yeah, there she is over there. Where'd she go? Yeah, there she is, saying, hey, leave my babies alone. All right. Yeah, got all the flowers out. This is my mom's house. That's my house across the way. But, anyway, didn't mean to get distracted by the flowers. Okay, I'm leaving your babies alone now, Mama.